Welcome, be part of lecture first. In this lecture, we will solve these four important questions based on reduction formula of integration tangent nx dx. Here is the list of questions based on the reduction formula of integration tangent nx and integration cot of nx d of x. The first question is evaluate integral tangent 6 theta d theta, then show that 0 to pi by 4 tangent 5x dx is equal to 1 by 2 log of 2 minus 1 by 4. Then this question, and the fourth question is this one. So to find this integral and all these questions, I first solve my lecture 1 part A. In lecture 1, I told you how to find the reduction formula for integral tangent nx dx, and it is given by this formula, the integration tangent nx dx. In first lecture, part A, I told you if I suppose this is in integral, then in is equal to tangent n minus 1x upon n minus 1 minus I of n minus 2. And again, if n is equal to 1, I also calculated I1 is equal to log of secant x. ठीक है, तो here I1 you are taking, this is log of, इसको आप ले लेंगे secant of x. ठीक है, तो I will use all this term directly. तो अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपके पास है तो फर्स्ट यू विल सॉल्व दिस रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला. आई एम राइटिंग इट डायरेक्टली हियर. आई एन इज इक्वल टू लेट, आई एम सपोजिंग कि आई एन इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन टेंजेंट एन थीटा डी थीटा. देन इट्स रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला इज आई एन इज इक्वल टू टेंजेंट एन माइनस 1 थीटा अपॉन एन माइनस 1 minus I of n minus 2. I am taking this is equation number 1. Now I want to calculate in the first question tangent power 6 theta d theta. So I am putting n is equal to 6 in equation number 1. So it becomes I6 is equal to 6 minus 1. It is tangent 5 theta upon 5 minus I of 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, it is 4. ठीक है, then I will I am putting n is equal to 4 here. So it gives you I4 is equal to 4 minus 1, that is cube here. Tangent n is equal to 4. Tangent 4 minus 1, that is 3. 4 minus 1, it is again 3. And minus, this is I of 4 minus 2. So this is 2. Now I will calculate I of 2 from this expression. Now to calculate I2, put n equal to 2 in first this equation. So here I2 is equal to tangent 2 minus 1 tangent theta upon n minus 1, यानी कि 2 minus 1, that is 1. So I obtain I2 is equal to tangent theta upon 2 minus here n is equal to 2. So it gives I of 2 minus 2, that is 0. So it is I0. Now putting I2, I4, I6, the n is equal to 6 in equation, मतलब I4 using third in second, and then I2 from fourth in the back equation. So I obtain here I6, this term as it is, equal to tangent 5 of theta upon 5 minus this I4. In place of this I4, I am using this expression. So this is tangent cube theta upon 3 minus of I2. So minus sign is here, and in place of this I4, tangent cube theta upon 3 minus of I2. So in place of this I2, I am again putting the value of this I2. So minus sign, this minus tangent theta, this minus and this minus becomes plus theta, this expression. ठीक है, तो it is tangent 5 of theta upon 5 minus it is tangent cube theta upon 3. This minus sign with this one gives you plus tangent of theta, and this plus with this minus of I naught. Now I want to calculate this I naught. So to find I naught, again ये find out करना है आपको. Again put n equal to 0 in the equation number 1. So here I naught is equal to integration tangent 0 of theta and d theta. So this is number 0 is 1, so this is nothing but d theta. If I integrate this, I obtain theta. Now put in equation, put in 6th. So you will obtain I6. What is I6 here? So I6 is integration tangent 6 theta d theta equal to tangent 5 theta upon 5, this term, and minus tangent cube theta by 3 here, plus tangent theta this one, and I naught value theta is here. So this is the required answer for this integral. Now the second question, that is show that 0 to pi by 4 tangent 5x dx is equal to 1 by 2 log of 2 minus 1 by 4. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर आपकी लिमिट है 0 to pi by 4. तो यहाँ जनरल एक जैसे आपके 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है या ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है, इन दैट केस दिस मे बी आस्क्ड. ठीक है, तो बिफोर सॉल्विंग दिस आई विल फर्स्ट सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, एंड हियर इज आई एन. दिस इंटीग्रल इज 0 to pi by 4 tangent nx d of x. To solve this question, I will first find the reduction formula for integration tangent nx d of x. मतलब लेक्चर फर्स्ट पार्ट ए मैं यहाँ पहले सॉल्व करूँगी. ठीक है, देन आई विल प्रूव दिस एक्सप्रेशन एंड देन आई विल टेक n is equal to 5. When I take n equal to 5, this question is becomes this one. ठीक है, तो अगर ये डायरेक्ट आता है क्वेश्चन, इन दैट केस पहले आप टेंजेंट एन एक्स डी एक्स करेंगे, देन यू विल पुट n इक्वल टू 5. और इस फॉर्मेट में आता है तो पहले आप ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे, देन यू विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ n इक्वल टू 5 इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन. सो आई टेक आई एन इज इक्वल टू 0 to pi by 4 tangent nx dx. Then I am breaking tangent this power n is n minus 2 and 2 dx. Now I am taking the identity tangent square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Now I am multiplying this term with this first term and this term with this one. So this gives 0 to pi by 4 tangent n minus 2x secant square x dx, and this minus sign is here, integration 0 to pi by 4, this term is here, and d of x. Now as I have taken in is 0 to pi by 4 tangent nx, so this is I n minus of 2, and left hand side is again here I of n, and the integration of this one. If I take tangent x is function, so its derivative is secant square x, so the value of this integral is tangent पावर n माइनस 2, आप m1 ऐड करेंगे तो दिस गिव्स n माइनस 1, एंगल इज x अपॉन डिवाइड बाय n माइनस 1. सो इट इज रिडक्शन फॉर्मूला फॉर आई एन. सो आई एम राइटिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 1. Now in question I have to prove, this is my question. Okay, here in plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 upon n minus 1. So here the limit of integration is 0 to pi by 4. So put this limit, it is n minus 1 tangent pi by 4 the whole power is n minus 1 minus tangent n minus 1 0 and this bracket asterisk. This is my I of n minus of 2. Now tangent pi by 4 is 1. So here this is in 1 over n minus 1. It's 1 and its value is 0. So this is minus I of n minus of 2. If I take this on the left hand side, this becomes in plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 over n minus 1, and it is the required portion. Now here is one more thing कि hence evaluate I of 5. तो यहाँ से देखिए आप, now to find, यहाँ ऐसे भी हो सकता था 0 to pi by 4 tangent 5x dx. So to find this expression, put n is equal to 5 in two equation. So this is I5 plus it's I3, 5 minus 2, I3 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1, it is 4. So write this is 3. Now I need I3 here. So I am putting again n equal to 3 in equation number 2. So put n is equal to 3 in equation number 2. So it gives I3 plus 3 minus 2, it's I1, and this is 1 over 3 minus 1, it's 2, so 4. Now I can't calculate I1 from equation 2 because due to these conditions. Here n should not equal to 1. So I1 is calculated by direct integration. As I told in lecture first, this is n equal to 1. So it's tangent of x, d of x. Its integration is 0 to pi by 4 sin x by cos x dx. Now cos x derivative is minus sin x. So it is log of cos x. You can write minus power here. So it is log of secant x also. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. And the limit is 0 to pi by 4. Now log of secant pi by 4. What is the value of secant pi by 4? This is under root 2. So it gives log of under root 2 minus log of 1. And what is the value of log 1? Log 1 is 0 and log m की power n. As we know that log of m की power n, this is n log m. So 1 by 2 power here. So this is 1 by 2 log of 2 and log 1 is 0. So minus 0. So value of I1 here is 1 by 2 log 2. I have put this value in equation 4. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से तो आपको मिलेगा I3 की वैल्यू क्या होगी 1 by 2 माइनस ऑफ दिस वैल्यू 1 आप यहाँ पुट करेंगे, ठीक है। तो आई एम पुटिंग इट। तो I obtain this equation 5. Now put value of I3 in equation 3. So I5 is equal to from this equation. This is 1 by 4 minus of I3. Use this I3 here. So it is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, and this becomes plus 1 by 2 log of 2. So I am taking the LCM and simplify. It is 4 is here, and this 1 minus of 2 plus 1 by 2 log 2. So this is minus 1 by 4. So I am writing 1 by 2 log 2 here, and this is minus 1 by 4 here. So it's our integration tangent 5x and d of x, the limit is 0 to pi by 4. It's our complete question number 3. ठीक है. Now next question. Now for solving 4 question, I will first find this expression as in the question number 3. In this question, now change n to, I need n plus 1 here. So I am changing n to n plus 1. In equation number, suppose this is your, for this question this is one equation. ठीक है. तो when you change n to n plus 1, equation 1 आपको given दे गया कि n plus 1 is equal to, this is 1 over here n plus 1 minus 1, and this is integral I n plus 1 minus of 2. यहाँ आपको मिलेगा I of n plus 1 is equal to 1 over n minus integral of n minus 1. Take this on the left hand side. It gives you I n plus 1 plus I n minus 1 is equal to n. 1 by n, sorry. This is 1 by n. Now take this n on the left hand side. We obtain the expression as n. You can write this term first. So n minus 1 plus this is I n plus 1 here, and I have taken this on this side, so here is 1. So this is required answer. ठीक है. तो in this way you can use the reduction formula for integration tangent nx dx. In the C part, I will solve the question based on integration of cot nx d of x, as I solved in lecture first part A. तो I will solve the remaining questions based on this. आप क्लास में भी पूछ सकते हैं कि क्वेश्चन कौन कौन से हैं. तो these are your assignment questions. So thank you so much for watching.